Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in BEACHWOOD, Ohio, where on May 20th, 2020 at 11:25 p.m., officers with the Pepper Pike Police Department responded to a call near northbound mile marker 30.2 on Interstate 271 in regards to a motor vehicle accident. Upon arrival, officers observed a 2010 Nissan Versa at a 90-degree angle in the express lanes along with a 1995 Honda Goldwing motorcycle in the grassy median. An officer began speaking with a witness to the accident as his investigation begins.
You saw him traveling in the what lane? In the local lane?
Coming across like this.
Okay.
So that's what made me go past him.
Okay.
But when I seen the motorcycle guy laying in the grass, I thought he had got burnt up because he got on all black.
Okay. Okay.
39, shuttle lanes you need.
But he's not looking too good. He need to sit down for a minute.
I'm gonna need you at my position in the express. Okay, do you have your driver's license?
It's good to see y'all. I'm going home.
Shut down south of where you're at.
Correct, but I need you here at the crash scene, please. Okay, do you have your driver's license? It's not on you? Where's it at, in the car? Okay. Is the plate registered to you? No? Okay, who's the vehicle belong to?
6337 RP.
What's that? I can't hear you.
Go ahead. 30 Victor.
Tamara? Okay, and who is she to you? What's that? Girlfriend? Okay, where are you coming from right now?
131st.
Yeah, you're gonna have to speak up.
131st.
131st? Okay, where are you headed to?
Beachwood.
To Beachwood? You were coming this direction? Which direction were you coming from? What's that? Yeah, which way were you traveling down the road here? This way? Okay. How much you had to drink tonight? Just a little bit? How much? I mean, look at your tracks here, right? Which direction were you coming from? What's that? Where did you get on 271 at?
Garfield.
What's that?
131st and Garfield.
I can't hear you. You're going to have to speak up.
131st and Garfield.
Duffield?
131st and Garfield.
And Garfield? Okay, so you're coming this direction?
Yeah.
And the local lane's over here, correct? You were heading that direction?
Yeah.
Okay. Do me a favor, keep your hands out of your pocket for me. Okay. Do you have anything on you? Keep your hands out. Do you have anything on you? No? Okay. I'm just going to pat you down, make sure you don't have any weapons. Where's your wallet at? What's that? You don't have one? No? Okay. Where are the keys to the car? What's that? In the car? Okay. Alright. So I want you to do. Come back here, just have a seat in the back seat of my car. Okay? Alright. And what's that? Your phone? Okay, I'll get it for you in a second. He's going to stay back here with you, okay? I'm going to gather your information for the vehicle. If you would, just hang out with him for a second. I think he was going the wrong direction. If you look at the track, which way was he going?
The one witness said he hit the wall, and if you see the fluid track right where he hit the wall here, he actually does a huge circle and comes back here.
All the way around?
Yeah, if you follow the fluid track, he actually leaves the express lanes, circles around, and comes back here.
Okay.
And that's what one of these gentlemen said. I think the gentleman, the UPS blue shirt, when I first got off, he said he hit something here, which is why the motorcycle landed there, and then he left, went looped the local lanes, and then stopped here.
Where did he strike the motorcycle on his vehicle?
I don't know.
Okay.
That I don't know. or if the motorcycle dropped itself, avoiding him, then
He told me he got on at Lee and he was coming from Cleveland.
The motorcycle?
His face is familiar to me.
What's that?
He's familiar. That face is familiar to me. I know I've dealt with him. I'm from Maple Heights. I just got off. One of the detectives there. I just got off. And I was on my way home. So.
Okay.
You guys good if I turn this off real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
While the officer completed accident paperwork and towed the vehicle, the sergeant discovered that the suspect had a warrant out for his arrest issued back on September 5th, 2019 out of Streetsboro, Ohio, located 30 minutes south of Beechwood. In this case, the suspect submitted a breath alcohol sample which yielded 0.138% and was subsequently arrested and charged with 2 counts of operating a vehicle under the influence, or OVI. He was found guilty of 1 count of OVI and ordered to pay a total of $492 between fines and court costs. The full amount is not due until May 4th, 2027. He was sentenced to 180 days in jail with 170 days suspended, a license suspension of 1 year, and 6 points on his license. Of note, the defendant was incarcerated in a federal prison and was unable to appear in court.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay,
Just get it over here. Yep. Just keep your hands out of your pockets. Yep. Alright, come on up here. Alright, go ahead and stand right here under my light. Alright, face back towards me. Alright. You said you had, how many drinks would you say you had?
Today?
Yeah, today. Hey, keep your hands out of your pocket for me. It's okay, go ahead. How many drinks? What?
A couple today.
A couple today? What did you have? A cup?
Yeah.
What did you have?
Patron.
Patron? How long ago?
It had to be like an hour and a half ago.
Okay.
I'm cool. I'm lying.
What time would you say that was?
I don't even know what time it is right now. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Okay.
No, it's 11 something. Yeah, I had a girlfriend works at 11 something. So it had to be like around 10 something.
Around 10 something? Okay. It's 12:16 right now. Okay. Keep your hands out of your pocket.
I had to go.
Okay. It's 12:16. So you said it around after 10 o'clock?
11:30 exactly.
11:30 what?
Yeah, 11:30 exactly.
Girlfriend gets off at 11.
11:30 exactly.
And that's when you had the drink?
Nah, before that, maybe before that. Little, like a couple minutes before that, like probably an hour before that.
Okay. And when was the last time you ate before you drank?
Before I drink, I ate like probably like 2 hours after that.
2 hours? What'd you have? Some chicken wings? How many?
Like 2 or 3.
You said from the gas station? Anything else? No? Drink anything beverage wise? Like water? Pop? Some water? Okay. Alright. Alright, you wearing contacts? No? Okay. Can you see the tip of my finger? Alright. Do me a favor. Alright. Open your eyes as much as you can, okay? There you go. Try not to squint. Okay, follow the tip of my finger. Okay, just follow with your eyes. Don't move your head, okay? Try not to move your head. Okay, try to open your eyes. There you go. All right, keep following my finger.
That's the man.
All right, keep following my finger.
Code 36 to 07. Go ahead. Let's get up there. So I was gonna head to Hillcrest and try and get a statement from this guy. Okay. 4337, show me map.
10-4.
Okay. All right, relax. All right, shake it out.
It's cold.
All right.
It's cold.
All right, stay right here in the spotlight. Okay, turn around, face the other direction. Yep. All right. Keep your hands onto your side. All right. I want you to stay in the position. All right. While I show you how to do the test. All right. I'm going to show you the instructions. All right. Wait till I finish and tell you to begin before you start. Okay. Okay. All right. Stay in this position. All right. Feet down together. Okay. All right. I want you to put. All right. Your left foot. All right. It's going to be on the line. All right. Put your right foot in front of your left foot. Just like this. Go ahead and do that now. Put it all the way in front of your left. All the way in front. Right in front of the other. All right. See how I have mine? Okay. All right. Remain in this position. All right. Till I tell you to begin. All right. Look at me. Okay. You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps. All right. Following this white line right through here. 9 heel-to-toe steps. It's going to look like this. Wait till I tell you to stop.
He's still telling you.
Okay, put your left foot behind your right foot. There you go. Stay right there. All right, don't move.
Just listen to him.
All right, keep your hands down to your side. Okay, 9 heel-to-toe steps. It's going to look like this. All right, you're going to count out loud. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to your 9th step. On your 9th step, all right, you're going to take small turns. All right, small turns till you face back to the position that you came from. All right, leaving that lead foot on the ground. And you're going to count back 9 steps. 1, 2, 3, and so on till you complete the 9. All right, I want you to remember. All right, you're going to watch your feet. All right, you're going to keep your hands down to your side. All right, once you begin, you're going to continue. All right, until you complete the test. All right, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I'm cold. It ain't about nothing.
What's that?
I said I'm cold. It ain't me. It's cold. I'm just cold.
Okay. All right, do you have any questions?
No, I ain't got
Okay.
no shirt on. I ain't got no shirt on. I'm just cold.
You don't have a shirt on under there? Okay, we'll try to speed it up. All right. All right, go back. Okay. All right. There you go. All right. Whenever you're ready, begin. Remember, keep your hands down to your side. All right, straight down to your side, up against your leg. There you go. Begin. All right, face this direction, keep your feet together. All right, keep your hands on your side. All right, the next one is one-legged stand. One-legged stand, yep. Hey, have you done these before? Okay, when was the last time you did them? How long ago?
I ain't sure.
Like this year, last year, a couple years ago? Last year? Okay. All right, when I tell you to begin, all right, you're gonna keep your hands down to your side. When I say to begin, you're going to choose whichever leg, your left leg or your right leg. All right, you're going to raise it, all right, 6 inches off the ground. All right, lock out your knee. You're going to watch your tip of your toe. You're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on till I tell you to stop. Okay? Remember, alright? One leg, lift up 6 inches off the ground. Keep your hands down to your side. Alright? And if you put down your foot at any time, raise it back up and continue counting where you left off. Okay? Alright, give me a second. Okay, get back in position for me. Okay? And walk down to your side. There you go. Alright. Ready? Begin. Okay, count out loud. Okay, and stop. Alright, go ahead and turn around. Alright, I'm going to place you under arrest for OVI, okay?
Like I said, oh, I understand. I mean, it's about a 14-mile-an-hour wind. You know, that'll be, like I said, that'll be in the report, the wind conditions and stuff like that.
It's cold.
I hear you. It's definitely not warm and it's windy. So,
Don't worry, we'll add that all in there. They'll see the video too. We got a dash cam going rolling. So let's go ahead and have a seat in the back. Let's get back to the car. I'll search it real quick. Hey, we'll just do it right back here.
I'm gonna call your sister. Okay. I'm gonna let her know.
There you go. Is his cell phone?
I think that's all he's got. Is
I got some money in the
That one? Okay. I'm working my way around. I'll get there.
I'm gonna zip up your pocket here so your cell phone will go flying. Okay. Your girlfriend's license and her digital camera and stuff like that. We took that out of the car and we're bringing it back. Okay, so we can get it to her. We didn't want it to go with the tow.
Alright, go ahead and have a seat. Watch your head when you step in. Go ahead, face that direction. Face to the left.
I failed the test?
Yes.
Following the arrest, the suspect Javon was transported to the Beachwood Municipal Complex Jail, whereupon he was read the Ohio Bureau of Motor Vehicles Form 2255 and subsequently refused to provide a breath alcohol sample. In court, the defendant was charged with driving under financial responsibility law suspension or cancellation, operation without being in reasonable control of vehicle, and operating vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs, or OVI. He was additionally charged with 2 counts of acts in contempt of court after arrest warrants were issued for failing to appear in court. On May 8, 2023, 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days after the accident, Javon was found guilty in absentia to the original 3 counts only. He was ordered to pay a total of $575 between fines and costs. This amount has been paid in full. He was further sentenced to 30 days in jail, of which 27 days were suspended, and 12 months on probation.